Hi everyone. Now, before we get started, I wanted to let you know that these activities are optional, which means that you do not have to complete them, but if you would like to, you can. And if you are going to complete them, we will be looking at subtraction word problems. So remember, they are optional. You can choose to do them or you can choose not to do them. Either way, Mrs. James and I will be perfectly happy. Okay, so we're going to solve these problems and then choose the correct answer. Now, what I would like you to do is after I read the problem, you can pause the video and then I would like you to solve it on a piece of paper. So watch me do this one first so that you know what to do and then you can practice doing them on your own. So our problem says Sam has 15 lollies in his bag. He gave 7 lollies to his friend. How many lollies does he have left? And our answers that we can choose from are 7, 8 and 22. So let's have a look of how we can solve this problem today. Okay, so I have 15 lollies. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we want to take 7 of those away. So let's cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so what am I left with? Let's count them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 15 take away 7 equals 8. Great job. So our answer here for our problem of Sam has 15 lollies in his bag and he gave 7 lollies to his friend. How many lollies does he have left? There are 8. Great job, everyone. Okay, let's look at another one. There are 10 slices of pizza. Artie ate 3 slices. How many slices are left? Now your answers that you can choose from are 13, 7 and 8. So remember, when you're drawing your picture to solve this problem, you're starting with 10 and you're taking away 3. And remember, subtraction is always less and you are going backwards. You are counting back. So have a go, pause the video and then come back and we will solve it together. Okay, let's have a look, boys and girls. So I have 10 pieces of pizza. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And remember, we've eaten 3, so let's take those away. 1, 2, 3. Now, how many am I left with? 7. Great job. Let's just count them to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 take away 3 equals 7. And we can also do that on our fingers. I've got 10. We know we have 10 fingers. And let's take 3 away. 1, 2, 3. And here you can see that I have 7 fingers left. So our problem was there are 10 slices of pizza. Ardy ate 3 slices. How many slices are left? And our answer is 7. Okay, well done everyone. Let's take a look at another one. There are 17 flowers in the garden. I pick 7 and give them away. How many are left? So our answers that we can choose from are 24, 7, and 10. Now again, remember when you're drawing your picture to help you solve our word problem, we are starting with 17 flowers. That's our total, 17. And we're taking away 7 because we picked 7 of those flowers and we gave them away, so we no longer have them. And then how many do I have left? Have a go at solving this problem and then come back and we will solve it together because I will definitely need your help. Okay, let's have a look. So we're starting with our biggest number, which we know is 17. So let's count 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So there are my 17 flowers. Now remember, I picked 7 and I gave them away, so I no longer have them. So now we need to cross out those 7 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now, how many do I have left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 17 take away 7 equals 10. Now remember our word problem said there are 17 flowers in the garden and I pick 7 and give them away. How many do we have left? And our answer is 10. Fantastic job, everyone. Okay, let's look at this one. Dan blows 11 balloons and 6 balloons pop. How many balloons does he have left? Okay, so the answers that we can choose from are 5, 17, and 6. And do you know what, boys and girls? We can already rule out 17 because 17 is bigger than 11. And we're starting with 11. And we know with subtraction, we are taking away, we are going backwards, and it's always less than the bigger number. So let's take a look at how we can solve this. But before I help you, I would like you to have a go at doing it on your own. So remember, we're starting with 11 balloons and 6 of them pop. So we need to take away 6 and then tell me how many are you left with? Okay, so let's start with our 11 balloons. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And now we need to take 6 away because 6 of them popped. They were too big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So how many am I left with? 5. Great job. And let's just count them to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And my number sentence looks like this. 11 take away 6 equals 5. So let's read our problem one more time and then you need to call out the answer. Dan blows 11 balloons and 6 balloons pop. How many balloons does he have left? And the answer is 5. Fantastic job, everyone. Now it's your turn. So what you need to do is solve these problems on a piece of paper. You can use pictures to help you, or you can use your fingers or counting back in your head. Now I'm just going to read the problems to you. The first one says, if you had 20 squares of chocolate and you ate 15 of them, how many would you have left? The next one says, if you have 5 birds in your garden and one of them flies away, how many birds would you have left? Let's look at a couple more. Now these ones are extension questions and we're looking at bigger numbers, so listening to them now. If you invite 53 people to a party and 24 of them say they can't come, how many people will be at the party? And the next one, if you count 85 ladybirds in your garden and 21 fly away, how many ladybirds would be left? Okay, we can't wait to see what you've come up with. I'll see you next time. Bye.